Hey everyone, today we are on Utopia of the Seas and we're going to play the mini golf here on the top deck in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. This should be a really fun round. It's a little windy because there's some storms and rain brewing right close by, so as you can see there. We're hoping we'll be able to get the first 9 holes in here, and then we're going to try to play the second 9 holes at night because everything is lit up here at night and we can use our glow balls. So that should be a really fun video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and if you're new to our channel and haven't seen our videos, what should they do, Hannah?
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, Hannah, and let us know in the comments below what you thought about today's round. Thanks, everyone. Okay, Hannah's going to start us off on the first hole. And let us know what you think about this style of course on Utopia of the Seas. Hey, that's in pretty good shape. Go ahead and putt it out. Nice 2. Here's Corrie in the first hole. And she's in pretty good shape too. See if she can get this one in the hole for 2. Yes, good job.
Gary's starting on number 1 now. Ah, he got an unfavorable spot. Get in there.
Oh, that was close. Looks like I'm going to have the worst score on the first hole.
Yep.
3.
3 for Gary.
Okay, here's Hannah on the second hole. And she's coming out over here on the side. Not bad. There's her second shot. And almost. And is it gonna fall? Oh my gosh! It's sitting on the edge. That's crazy. Okay. You could blow on it, it would fall. Just tap it in. Okay, here's Corrie on the second hole. Oh, that might have went in for a hole-in-one if it had rolled slightly different. Playing out here in the middle of the ocean. Utopia of the Seas. Nice shot.
Gary on number 2.
Man.
Make it up that hill like and I did. Go around the side. Just can tap that in for us. 2. 3. 3. Yep.
Okay, hole number 3 has a loop-de-loop. Let's see what Corrie can do. She's in good shape for a 2. Good job.
Gary on 3.
Oh.
Not too bad.
Oh man. That
Get
was
robbed.
crazy.
3.
There's Hannah on number 3. Hey, that's in pretty good shape. Nice 2, Hannah.
Good job.
All right, here's Corrie on number 4. She's just gonna hit a light shot over here towards the hole. See if she can get that in for a 2. Good 2. All right, here's Hannah on number 2. In pretty good shape. See if she can tap that in from there. And oh man, she just missed the hole. That looked almost like mine. Went right along the edge of the hole. Good 3.
Gary on 4.
All right, since I'm already not winning, I'm gonna go for the gusto, see if I can hit that center bullseye. Nope.
No.
Okay, now what do I gotta do? gonna try to
Hit it through
go
under.
up here. Apparently that's not possible.
He's
Okay,
in a tough spot.
that was 2, 3.
Okay, you got it to the opening now. So we can get it in the hole. Nope.
4. Looks like I'm gonna have a 5 on this one. Yep.
5 Jerry.
This hole has a giant turtle in front of it. This one is a challenging hole I remember from playing last time. Let's see what Corrie can do. Just came out here on the side. Not bad. Okay, here's Corrie's second attempt. Oh man, it didn't bounce. It just kept going. That makes it tough. That's 3, 4. You can get that in, that's a 5. We'll give you a 5 either way, but yeah, we'll count that as a 5. There's Hannah on number, which one is this? 5. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Okay. That's not bad. You got a shot at it from here at least. That's 2. That's 3.
That's pretty good.
You can get this in, you'll have a 4.
Oh,
Hey,
good
nice
job.
putt. Nice 4.
Jerry's turn. Oh, he got it through the middle. He's got a good chance of getting a 2 on this hard hole.
2.
Nice.
That's how you do it.
Good job. Gary's gonna start us off here on 6. Went through the clam. Up. Over on the left side here.
That's not bad.
Still got a chance at a 2. Nice.
Here's Hannah, number 6.
Going down the center.
Oh
Aw.
man, that was close to a hole in one. That was a really good putt, Hannah. So she can get this one in for her 2. Good job. Here's Corrie on number 6.
No.
That's in pretty good shape. Went through the clamshell off the side. See if she can get this one in from here for 2. Nice 2.
Gary's gonna start us off here on number 7. Not bad at all.
That's not bad. And get this
Back
in for a
hole,
2
Gary's
under the giant
He's
octopus.
doing good.
I think they call it a kraken or something. Oh
there.
man,
Oh.
I knew I hit it right when I hit it off the club.
Still get a 3.
3.
Not bad. Good job.
Okay, here's Hannah on number 7. Hey, that's not bad. Got it over to the other side. If she can get this one in for 2. Good
Nice.
job, Hannah. She's heating up. You're playing well in the last few holes. Okay, here's Corrie on number 7.
Aw.
Made it over to the other side, just barely.
Go in there.
And- oh, that was so close.
Redo.
Nice 3. Okay, here's Hannah on number 8. And she's in pretty good shape. Over there. There's Hannah's second shot on number 8. Nice 2, playing well.
Gary on 8. the left side over there. Oh, that was close.
3,
I think it's probably gonna be a
4.
4.
Okay, here's Corrie on number 8. Oh man, I thought she had a 2. See if she can get this one in for her 3. Yes, it just dropped. Good job. All right, here's Hannah on number 9. She's hitting it into a giant dolphin's mouth. Let's see where it comes out. Over here. That's in pretty good shape. Here's Hannah's second shot.
Close.
Good job. Here's Corrie on number 9. Where is it going? I hear it bouncing around in there. Oh, it came out the other side.
Oh, what in the world?
Here's Corrie's second shot on number 9. Now she can hit it under the dolphin for a 3. Oh, she went a little too far. See if she can get this in for a 4. Nice putt. That was a good job.
Gary on the final hole, which is number 9. Going out to the
Oh, it
yeah.
went out that side.
Same spot.
Just
mine
like
was
Corey's.
in. Second here on 9.
That's 2, 3.
See if you can knock it in from there. Oh, that was close.
In there.
Good job.
And now this is what it looks like as we've transitioned over tonight, and we're going to play the second 9 hole. Okay, Hannah's going on the first hole. Coming back out here to play our night round. And she went over on the side. See if she can get it to the hole from there. You can bank it off the back, Hannah. Oh, you're going to go underneath? Okay. That was close. And that's in there for 3. Good job. There's Corrie on the first hole. Oh, she got a hole in one. That was awesome. Nice hole in one.
Gary on number 1. Oh, see if you can hit that in for 2. Yep, good job.
Okay, here's Corrie on number 2. Okay, here's Corey's third shot. Oh man, it didn't fall. She's got a 4. Good job.
Gary on 2. Oh, it did the same thing mine did. That's not bad. So we can tap that in for 3. Yes. Good job.
Okay, here's Hannah on number 2. Hey, that's not bad. Here's Hannah's second shot. Oh, nice 2. Good job. Okay, here's Hannah on number 3. Oh, that was close to a hole in one. That was a good putt, Hannah. So she can get this one in from here. Oh man, it just rimmed out on the outside of the hole. She's got a 3. Good job. There's Corrie on number 3. Oh, that took a weird path, but she's in good shape for a 2. Oh, man. Just missed it. And that's in there for a 3.
Carry on number 3. Go back in. Yes, we have another hole-in-one. Good job. Carry on, starting us off on number 4. Not too bad. See if we can tap that in for a 2. Oh, it's gonna roll back. Oh. Looks like he's got a 3. Good job.
All right, here's Hannah on number 4. Oh, look at that. Hole-in-one. Good job, babe. There's Corrie on number 4. And, oh, that was close. This course looks so cool at night. Oh my goodness, how did you miss that short putt? She's got a 3. Okay, here's Hannah on number 5. That's in pretty good shape. Now she's got to try to get it through the opening there. Just a real light tap, 2. And she's got it in for a 3. Good job.
Gary on 5. Good job.
Okay, here's Corrie on number 5. That's in pretty good shape. Let's see if she can tap that in. Oh! The short putts are not kind to Corrie tonight. Okay, here's Hannah on number 6. She's got to hit through the clamshell. She's got it in. Where's it gonna go? Oh man, that was close. See if she can tap it from there. Nice 2. Good job.
Gary on number 6. Get down the center. It looks like it's gonna go off to the left. Oh. Good job.
Okay, here's Corrie, number 6. Is that gonna go in? Oh man, that was so close. So close to a hole-in-one. Tap that in for a 2. Good job. There's Hannah on number 7. And there it is. Came around the other side. See if she can get this one in from there. Nice putt, Hannah. That was a good 2. Yes.
Gary on 7. With the big octopus. See where he comes out at. Not bad at all. Wow, look at that. That should be an easy 2. Good job.
Okay, here's Corrie on number 7. That's not too bad. See if she can get that in from there. No pressure. Oh man, it curved on her after she hit it. In there for 3. Good job. Okay, here's Hannah on number 8. And she got it across the alligator or whatever these are, bridge. If she can get this in for a 2. Oh man, so close. Good job.
Gary on 8. Oh. If you can tap it in for a 2. Ah. Good job.
Okay, here's Corrie on number 8. Oh man, that was close. See if she can get this in. Oh man, I think that there's a slope right there because I missed that putt too. Good job. Okay, here's Hannah on number 9. Hey, it came out the right. That's in pretty good shape. Get it in from there. Oh, almost. Nice 3. There's Corrie on number 9. Coming out over there. And that's 4. And she tapped that in for her 5.
Gary on number 9. Oh, he got the favorable side. So if you can tap that in for a 2. Aw. Maybe a 3. Yep. Good job.
Hey everyone, we just finished our round here. Our second 9 holes at night on Utopia of the Seas. It is really cool at night the way they've got it lit up here on this course. Our big winner with the combined 2 sets of 9 holes was Hannah. Nice job. High fives all around. She did a really good job. She had a 46 and Corrie was in second place with a 52 if we got our scores right. Good job, Corrie. And I was in last. I played pretty well in the second 9, but I had a lot of ground to make up from Hannah's first round. So she played really well, had the big victory tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed our round here on Utopia of the Seas, out in the middle of the ocean. Both 9 holes we were in the middle of the ocean on a sea day here on a 4-day cruise. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen our videos before, what should they do, Hannah?
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, Hannah. Let us know in the comments below what you thought about our round here on Utopia of the Seas. Thanks, everyone. Hope to see you in our next video. Bye-bye.